right. Now, Marcus, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're doing, and tell us a little bit about the crypto offering at EightCap, which I'm very excited about it because it's really just incredibly varied. Give us a little bit of a conversation about that.
Yeah, sure. So we've pretty much thrown the kitchen sink at it in terms of regulated crypto offerings. We looked out there and there were a lot of, offshore exchanges offering derivatives on crypto, some tight spreads and a lot of instruments, but pretty much not a lot of security, no regulation. And we're seeing a lot of these people now, lose banking relationships and get caught up in a lot of legal issues. Meanwhile, onshore, if you look at a lot of CFD brokers and a lot of regulated entities, they're not really offering much in the way of cryptos. So
Right.
yeah, EightCap's looking for that real...
Just to tell people, is it 10 cryptos that you're offering?
Just a bit more, just a tiny bit more.
Is it 50 cryptos that you're offering?
No, keep going.
Is it 100 cryptos that you're offering?
It's 250 plus is where we're at right now, and
you're ruining my setup here. I wanted to.
It was going to go on too long. We're running out of time, Boris.
150 cryptos. That is like magnitude 10 times more than almost any other CFD broker in the world right now. All of it, of course, wrapped around in a single account, which is very, very nice. All of it basically allowing you to speculate on the price path of the crypto without having to worry about MetaMask wallets and all of the complicated issues of actually being able to transact. You can transact with a simple point-and-click ease straight from the MetaTrader 5 platform, right? On all of these platforms, right? And the other thing that I think is kind of interesting about your offering, because like you said, you made this reference to the fact that you've been able to tap into liquidity. When I look even at TradingView, and I'm looking at what am I looking at? Who's offering this? This is Bitstamp, right? If I'm looking at Bitstamp, their Bitcoin, their biddy spread, their spread on Bitcoin is 22.25 wide. I'm looking at your platform, and the spread is like 11. Spread is like 10. It's literally half of what you can find. You find the spread on some of the bigger, more established platforms, which is really astounding. I have no idea how you were able to get the liquidity for such great spreads. ETH is generally sort of traded pretty well on all the platforms, but it's 2 or 3 wide on all the big platforms. I think ETH on your platform is literally not even 1 wide. It's like half wide, which on a 3,000 notional instrument is enormously valuable. If you want to trade that for $10, like I do, I trade ETH for $10. That's a really great venue to be able to trade it with. So that's interesting and very exciting about your offering. Anything else you want to tell us about what's going on with you guys and what you plan on doing?
Well, look, we just keep on wanting to offer more cryptos as we go. We're really close to launching our TradingView as well for both trading and charting. So, yeah, a lot of cryptos, great charting software, great trading technology as well. And we're just keeping at it and, don't really want to stop on our side.
Yeah, super exciting. I'm very, very excited about your offering. It's the simplest, easiest, and in fact, probably the most efficient way for any new trader or any trader that wants to participate in this market and get an idea to participate in this market. It also, by the way, of course, has all the advantages of CFD in a sense that you can, as you talk about it, you can do small size, something that Nick was referring to, that, you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin in order to participate in a trade. You could buy 1/10 of a Bitcoin on a CFD basis and still have the full price path, the full potential of profitability of a position.